Are your Intel TBB application failing because of the TBB Preview DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's fix those broken file references immediately. Ensure your TBB Preview environment is stable by using the recommended tool linked below. This is the TBB Preview, a preview or beta version of the Intel Threading Building Blocks TBB library. It provides experimental multi-core optimization routines for high-end rendering tools. If a retail application reports this missing, the developer left a development dependency in the production build. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. The TBB Preview DLL module is a localized part of the Intel TBB integration, and you should reinstall the specific application that is failing to launch to ensure this internal library is correctly restored. When the primary installation path fails, a more surgical approach to checking your system's environmental variables is required. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the TBB preview file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. If the previous steps didn't work, there's one more action we can take to stabilize the environment. Please pause the video if you need to back up your data before we proceed. If you're still seeing that runtime message post-restart, it's time to reinstall the shared library components. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. I'd like to provide a brief technical warning about the risks of using unofficial file repositories. It is important to avoid manual installation of TBB Preview DLL if you are not a technical expert. One wrong move in your system directory can prevent your computer from booting entirely and result in data loss. For those looking for a professional-grade monitoring resource, I've provided a link to a diagnostic tool for you below. The link below references a resource for reviewing workstation health and TBB preview synchronization. I'm Sophie Chen. If we successfully restored TBB preview functionality for you today, liking this video helps other users find this solution. Subscribe for professional tech support.